Start by removing the old step per manufacturer's recommendation. Begin by folding up the old steps and making sure it is locked in place. Then remove all screws that secure the old steps in place. Remove old steps. With assistance from another person, lift and place the new solid step into the unit. Using a 7/16 wrench, loosen the nuts on the transport lock so that you may adjust the proper left-to-right orientation. Once the locks have been properly adjusted, tighten the nut, making sure not to over-tighten it. Verify that the lock is secure. Position the step assembly in the door frame so that the mounting bracket sits flush against the wall and floor, leaving half-inch gap along the door frame to provide clearance for the strut cover. Secure the brackets to the floor by using number 10 1.5-inch self-tapping screws for laminate floor or number 10 1 1/2-inch wood screws for wood floors. If needed, use a right angle attachment with the installation of the screws. Affix the wall brackets using screws that will penetrate the backing material by up to 75%. After installation, lower the new steps and adjust both extension legs by undoing the latch and extending it until the steps are parallel to the ground. Repeat on the other side if necessary. Stow the steps and verify functionality of the transport lock. Inspect the steps for proper functionality by giving it a gentle shake to simulate road travel.